Want to sell online and reach customers on Facebook and Instagram? Let's set up your Shopify store and link your social accounts. Start by going to shopify.com and clicking Start Free Trial. Enter your email, create a password, and give your store a name. Follow the prompts to complete the basic setup, including your address, currency, and payment information. Once your store is created, go to Settings in the Shopify admin and select Sales Channels, then Add Sales Channel. Choose Facebook and Instagram. You'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Select the Facebook page you want to connect and link your Instagram account. Make sure to allow product sync and grant the necessary permissions so your products appear on both platforms. Click Save, and your Shopify store is now connected to Facebook and Instagram for social selling. That's it. Your Shopify store is set up and connected to Facebook and Instagram, ready to start selling. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.